stuck in there?
Uh-oh. Tell Daddy get it out for you.
Oh, goodness. He's not happy the fact they won't come out. He's like, messing with me now.
He's like, I'm gonna go in my little fort. You trying to get in? I can't get in? Oh, watch your head.
Darion, who's that in Mommy's arms?
Who's this?
Who's that baby?
Who's this?
He's so silly. Is that Carter? You don't want to say it now?
Uh-oh. Ooh, Daddy got it now. Daddy got it now. Hey, sexy man.
Oh! See, it doesn't take them long to remember something like that.
Butter. Say Carter. Look all fuzzy. Huh? Say Carter. Oh, give me a kiss. Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Give him
Say,
kisses. Aww. Hey there, baby.
I see you. You want to hold it? And see Carter and Mommy? There they are. Who's
Hey,
that?
Who's this?
Mommy. And who's that? Carter. And who's that?
I want to put him on his tummy.
That's
See
your
if
daddy?
he rolls.
Daddy? Daddy? And who am I? Mama? Mama?
Is the lady from the front desk over there? No.
my sister's old big sister.
Oh, I don't know.
She get a smile. Hey. Ooh.
Why you give me Google eyes for this? Why you give me Google eyes?
Oh, he's finding his hands. This is like the most exciting time. Hi, Carter. Hi, baby doll. He's like, my belly's too fat for me to lift my feet up yet. But I can see my hands.
Hold on. Wait,
You can see your hands.
You just fart on me. Just like your mama. Farting on me. Thank you, butt.
Hi, Mr. Carter.
That was right.
Carter, see him?
That wasn't Carter. That was Darion. Thank you, butt.
Carter's playing with his fingers.
Watch out. Watch out for the baby.
How long does this thing go?
Until you turn it off. Watch out for baby's head.
I don't know that we need to record him getting his diaper changed.
All you have to do is just press this button.